everybody doing? Yeah. As you can tell, I'm here by a place here. It's Mama Lodi. Okay, you can hear it by the noise coming from the people here. Alright. I just used my wife's car today, and my bakkie is there for service there by the farm. I'm here by a place called K&J here in Mamelodi, here in the east side of Mamelodi. They wanted me to test their new burger. They call it a Boerie burger. So they take a cow, they kill the cow. You know, these people, they like sacrifices for these gods. And they took a cow and they made a Boerie burger. They want me to come here and just taste a burger for them. Alright, let's go and test. Yeah, welcome. Thank you very much for the invite. Okay, hi everybody. Okay. Okay. This is the Boerie burger they're introducing here by K&J here. Okay? But these lovely people. I just want to introduce you to these burgers. Where should I take a seat? Thank you very much. Okay, come see these burgers. I'd like to commend the people here. You black people are doing well nowadays, eh? You're taking after us very well. Alright? You guys keep the good work. More white people like me will be coming here to eat your food, okay? Yeah. Now, I just want to see here. They say they've got two combinations. They've got a Boerie burger with 100% beef patty that they're using from the boerewors. And then this one here, it's got some chicken and some beef inside. Yeah. I just want to go quickly taste the food. Yeah, I don't know which one to start because I'm not gonna. I think I'm gonna leave my wife one of it. Okay. Yeah, you can come closer. All right, where do I start? These things look good, man. Congratulations, K&J. These things look good, man. But let's just see here. Yeah. Okay, where should I start? Cameraman, where should I? Which one? This one. Looks big, man. Okay. Usually we use fork and knife there by us, there by the suburbs there. I don't know, you black people just use it with your hands, right? Okay. Let's just try it out, yeah. But, yeah, let's go for a quick commercial ad break, and then I'll tell you the taste after I'm back. Yeah. Okay, I just enjoyed one of the meals here. Very good, K&J, very good. Okay, I think you were one of the employees that we had back in the day, and you came here to start your own business. Very good, very good. I commend everybody to come here by K&J in Mamelodi, the east side of Pretoria, yeah, to come and taste these burgers. They are very cheap. I'm sure they're very cheap, right? Yeah. Come here, they've got all sorts of things here. But they called me Meneer Dutch especially just to taste the new Boerie burgers with 100% beef. Okay, come taste it for yourself. I'd like to take away here, please, eh? Yeah.